Hello, so today we are going to make some fun cartoon character word art, Valentines. And so what I've done here is I've created a nice little uh, slide here with a whole bunch of different characters. And if you go around and touch each one, you'll see that the blue box comes up, which means that that is a picture you can copy to your art slide. Now you're going to create your slide, your art on slide number 3. I have insert instructions on slide number 2, and that says here, insert your background, insert your monster or character, and insert your word art. So we're going to go to slide number 2, and we're going to start by inserting our background. We're going to move our cursor around with our finger on our touchpad till it goes over background. Then we're going to tap it. Now we have to go to the second line here that has the word color, and there's a circle, and we need to choose our color. So I'm going to choose a purple one, and then I'm going to do done. Now I'm going to go to this fourth slide, and I'm going to move my finger around until I find the character that I want, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the monster. So I'm going to do 2 fingers, tap with 2 fingers, and touch the word copy. And now I'm going to go back to slide number 3 and tap with 2 fingers and touch the word paste. And there I have my monster. Now I'm going to touch the corners. I'm going to use 2 hands with my touchpad here, and I'm going to touch the left side of my touchpad and extend it out. So with my left hand, I'm touching the lower corner of my mouse pad, and with the right one, I'm moving it over. Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to touch the corner and then spread it out. That's one way you can make it very large. The other way is to go into format and format options, and right here you can change the size. I always like checking the box here that says lock aspect ratio, and we can do our percent. Okay, I'm going to close that. And next thing we're going to do, if we go to slide number 2 again, so we've inserted our background, we inserted our monster, and now we're going to insert our word art. So we're going to go to the word insert, and we're going to go to word art, and now we're going to type the phrase that I want to put in here, and I'm going to say, I'm mad about you. And then we're going to press, it says here, use enter to save. So I'm going to press enter. So here's my type. Now I'm going to just go ahead and reduce it, change that's too much. Now what's fun about this is I can go right up here under font and change the font style. I'm going to use permanent marker. And now it says, I'm mad about you, and it's a funny kind of typeface. And if we do it from the corner, it will stay in proportion. And there we have it. So there's my first Valentine, Crazy Monster Valentine. All right, I'm going to stop here, and now you make your Valentines. If you want to make more than one, you can just go to the bottom, and I've added a bunch of blank slides for you to make a whole bunch of different Valentines. Have fun.